And we're live. So as I was saying, I didn't sleep well last night because my fault. I really got in bed early. I was like, cool, in bed early. It's going to be a nice, like, early night. And then I started going down the rabbit hole of looking at M3s because I want to get an M3. And, bro, I found a pretty sick spec of one. And I'm actually going to go test drive it on Friday. So I'm
That's what's up. Hell yeah.
I'm like, oh, fuck. I don't know if I'm going to get it. It's just like, you know, I want to start driving them and like experience it. Like, you know, like, is this what I want? Type deal. And so nice rip off the open here. So yeah, that kind of kept me up last night, and I was like, fuck, man, like, you know, like all excited for that. So
that's a good reason to be up though.
Yeah. So all right. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, stream. We have quite the gap down this morning. So markets in turmoil, as they love to say. Definitely not in turmoil, but a nice healthy gap down that we kind of needed. The big focus actually this morning, let's see what dings are dinging.
Dopamine ding.
Yeah. Okay, cues. So my big focus this morning is going to be actually, sorry, I have it on my other levels. I need to get rid of some of this shit. This actually massive pivot support is what I'm watching. I'm watching specifically this low 265 zone. So if we go to cross here, we actually just kind of reclaimed it. Just basically, this is the start of the year low. This is what I want to see holds. If this can hold and we can stay above this at least 30 minutes to like maybe even an hour after market open, I'm going to be pretty damn interested in this long. But obviously, we got to see how we digest it. We just opened up right now. We're pinning into it. We got to see, like, do we stay above this or not? So I'm going to put this here as like must hold zone above, or must hold zone, basically. And this is what I want to see. Again, get above. And I'm going to wait till, you know, we got to see 30 minutes, maybe 45 minutes, maybe an hour. Because right now, it's going to be a fucking battle royale. Like, it's going to be a battle. They're going to be trying to like kind of duke it out, see what's going on.
Yeah.
You know, that's kind of like my thoughts on this. So this is pretty much what I'm watching on the cues, is just literally this level, this zone. And if we can't get above this and stay above it meaningfully after, again, like 30 minutes, an hour after the open, then we're probably just going to look to retest the overnight low and then down into 25,000, and then ultimately the near-term range low, which is going to be down here in the 900s. So that's kind of my game plan today. Really, when you have big gaps like this at the open on a Monday, you got to let them digest. I think the rookie trade is anyone trying to get involved this early, like the second. But, you know, I mean, for some people, they look at it as good, like dip buying scenarios. They just want to get involved right away. But personally, trading futures, I just want to wait on this shit and kind of just see how it digests. I actually am interested in like big picture, maybe get involved in some IWM calls or some DIA calls, but we'll see how that goes. So
actually, I have the opposite game plan of you.
What's yours? Yeah, let's hear your hourly continuation game plan and shit.
I'm actually looking short, so we gapped down from on Sunday, and then even during the holidays, we just continued lower and lower. I have a weekly level at 68.8125 on ES.
Okay.
And so far, the past 3 hours, we've rejected it. After already breaking down and holding support at 68.50. So if we continue to reject it, I'm looking to possibly get short down to 68.50. And if we break 68.50, I'm looking to get even, I'll show it on stream. So this is my level on my other chart, on my Thinkorswim chart.
Yeah.
So as long as we keep rejecting this on the hourly chart, I'm looking to get short down here, down to about 68.50.
I feel
that. If we break under 68.50, then I'll just take a continuation lower. But ideally, this is the area I want to get short at. It's just too early off the open.
Yeah.
After that gap, that huge gap down, I'm not willing to touch anything right now.
Yep.
but this is what I'm looking for. I'm just looking for us to fail to close above at 10 a.m. and then I'm getting short.
Okay. Yeah, so far, at least on the Qs, we're reclaiming this again, we're getting above this. So now it's like, really, if this 5-minute bar closes up here strong, how do we hold any pullback here down into 270s and kind of go from there with it? Trying to look at other things across the board. YM seems to be rejecting. RTY seems to be strong. ES seems to be strong. This Qs is really strong though here. Probably come into 387s right here. Let's get one more push.
If we stay strong above, I'm open to taking a long, but I wouldn't take a breakout. Like, I want to see it like come down, support, and then start to go. And then I'll probably get it. But right now, I feel like the best play is just to sit.
Yeah, for sure. Let's see what we got here. VIX was up 18% and it just dumped to 12%. So it's notable. Well, dude, there's some of these stocks, man. MU has been so strong. MU, I don't know if you ever look at any of these individual names, but like MU used to be a meme on Wall Street Bets literally years ago, a legit meme where everyone would troll about it. And now it's like, because they wouldn't move or do anything. And then now it's like finally ripping, dude, which is crazy. So
it's just MU the ticker?
Yeah, MU is just the ticker, but
damn, the thing's like $6,000, almost $7,000. This was a meme?
MU.
MU, not MW. Okay.
No, yeah, MU. So.
Oh, Micron, yeah.
Yeah, Micron. So.
I used to trade Micron back in the day. I actually still got some good levels on here.
Yeah.
Dang. This was years ago. I was trading it back when it was like $68.
Yep, right. Exactly. That's what I'm talking about. It used to be this meme. It used to be a troll meme. It used to be. So that thing is ripping. Other than that, we have Netflix earnings after the close and some other earnings coming out. So RTY right now is my favorite. This thing is just, again, so strong. I love this thing. It's just been holding and just been so strong. I might look to get involved in this somehow after we kind of digest a bit more. But so far, I'm really liking this thing. It's just a beast, bro. A freaking beast.
RTY doesn't wait on anybody. When
it don't wait on no one, bro. It don't wait on no one.
Have you tried like seeing the data between like waiting the 15-minute or the 20 minutes on RTY versus not waiting on RTY?
Nah, not on RTY specifically. It does sometimes, like, I mean, it can be slow. It can be really, really slow. So it's like, it just depends. But personally, you know, it's not a bad one. What's going on, chat? You guys are quiet. There's no one. Just Drew. What up, Drew? It's good. What's going on?
On Drew.
How we doing? How are we doing? Let's see. RTY. Is that going to be winner chicken dinner today? Time will tell. Time will tell. So far, quite the ripper.
ES is trying to stay under.
I know. And again, this NQ pulling back and holding. Kind of a nice pullback here in NQ, I'm not going to lie. I just don't want to get involved this early. But pulling right back to level to retest. This is kind of what we're looking for. RTY definitely going. I do like this reclaim long idea on YM as well. It has to get through 900 and stay above 900. So that's an interesting one to kind of look at here. It really just depends how much we can get above it and hold above it. But I'm interested in that.
10 days out from the month closing, I think we might just be looking at a monthly pause bar, just trying to keep that in mind.
Could be.
Yeah, Drew's right.
Could be. Could be.
Morning, futuristic day trader. I don't know who that is, but good morning.
Good morning. I'm kind of just chilling, just waiting right here. I love this reclaim though. Again on this YM. I kind of want to get involved in this, dude. It's just pretty early, but I do like this.
What are you watching? The 5-minute candles?
Yeah.
Close. If the close, you got a close coming in like a minute.
Yeah, I do like this closing here. Let's see if we can get one more pullback here into 900. Let's see if we can hold it.
See, ES looks weak right now, man.
Let's see what we can do. See what we can do. Yeah, because here's the Qs pulling back into VWAP here as well. This is kind of nice, though. I think I'm going to try this, dude. I'm going to try this long here. I really like. I want to put my stop down here though at the low. Just one contract. See if we can hold. We're pulling back into VWAP, pulling back into my level here on YM. We got the 5-minute close I wanted. It's just everything else going to be too weak is the question. Or can this hold? It is an expensive. This is an expensive attempt, but
what's your risk on it?
$500.
One contract? You've given it plenty of room.
I know. I have it a lot. It does have a lot of room. It has 100 points of breathing room.
Yeah. But I want to get short on ES here, but I want to wait at least till 9:45.
I don't blame you. I do not blame you for that.
We're just hovering around VWAP right now. If we get a close below VWAP on ES, then the short setup makes sense to take it earlier than 10 a.m. But if not, right now, it doesn't make sense.
Yeah. Decent pin here on the Qs trying to hold up.
What are you targeting?
That's a really good question. On YM, I'd be targeting higher. Probably 49,000 at least up into here, but probably more than that, honestly, just depend on volatility. Oh, yeah, 49,000 is a good target, though. I probably want to add to this, though, if that's going to be the case.
That's a good sign.
I only want to add if we get back above this here, though. I'm going to do like a stop by above, something like that. Let's see if we can get the pin and push through. Take us to 49. That would be the idea.
That looks like a good setup. If it holds VWAP and then actually starts breaking out higher, I can say go to your target fast.
I think what I like about this big picture is I'm looking for this breakout up to 50,000 still, and we have this deep pullback here, which is nice, and it's like retesting all this structure. So I do kind of like that, like big picture. But again, this just needs some time to digest for a second. Little worrisome on that.
I think you'd be good. Your stop is at a good area. Your target's realistic, and you have a pretty good set buy stop to get in more.
Yeah, to add.
Yeah, you should be fine. Because you'll know once it starts breaking out higher, you'll know, and then you're positioned.
We don't. Yeah.
ES looks like it's about to just rip.
Oh, look at that. Look at that pin, dude.
Yeah.
Look at that fucking pin. Look at that pin, bro. So far, so good. Not bad. Nice 5-minute bar test there. I'm about to get filled on the second contract. Oh, maybe not.
You'll get it.
Yeah, I think so. It will fill me. Problem is now my risk has to move up because I only have $1,100 to work with. So this is probably gonna have to move up to here.
Order filled.
At least, yeah, exactly here at the bottom. This is negative risk reward. I want to take one off here. That's what I want into 49,000. Do limit sell one. I'll be safe and smart, and then see if the other one I can kind of get some momentum on it and get it to push up higher.
This is a nice 3-bar play on the 5 minutes on ES.
Mm-hmm.
And we're above.
Just slept.
8 a.m. high.
Can we get some follow through? Are they gonna do us dirty?
Not today. Not today.
Yeah, today. Definitely today would be a day they would do us dirty.
Today's one of those days where like I would take into consideration the average range, because like we've fallen so far where like a pullback is just a pullback higher is just kind of the more likely scenario. But I can't overlook this weekly level. That's why as long as we're below it, I'm just gonna look short.
For sure.
Right now we're above it.
Yeah.
We're above it. We're above the 8 a.m. high. It's looking good for a long.
Yeah, I just don't like how this was rejecting here. I need us to get up and through this shit.
You're good. You're good. Your stop loss is in a good place. Is that lower day?
No, technically not. I mean, it's pretty damn close. Thing is, it's gonna be one and done if this is wrong. That's the problem.
Have faith. It ain't over till it's over.
Yeah, see now this is not looking good. If this engulfs this, dude, I might have to just get out of this early. This is way too much of a pullback now. It's too steep.
Should bring your stop under that candle if you want to get out. Because if you're gonna get out early, this is the place to get out.
I know. I'm gonna have to get out. I just don't want to get tapped and then it fucking bounces.
Then you just gotta hold it, bro. Like there's only 2 locations you can get out. You could either get out of that candle low or the candle low you're at now. If not, low at day is the only place.
Let's see if this holds or not. Here.
I think you're good.
It's trying to hold. Back to VWAP here.
Jordan Future says, I feel that it seems like the market always does BS a day ahead of Trump or Jerome's speech. I think Trump spoke this morning, Jordan.
Did he?
I think so. I seen something on Financial Juice.
I just feel fishy about this, dude. Let's see.
Oh no, Trump speaks tomorrow.
I'm gonna move this, dude. I just don't like it. I really don't like it, man. I don't like how deep this pullback is on the 5 minute. This breaks lower here. It's just like, it just doesn't seem worth the risk to me to be fully done for the day. When I could like try one more attempt of something.
I could see that.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. Why pretty much just get you all out? Not even 10 a.m. yet.
Mm-hmm.
If you want to, you could always just reduce your risk back when you get to break even.
I know.
And then give yourself the full stop.
Yeah.
Maybe the ad just over leveraged you.
It did. It's my mistake. What was my mistake? Okay, starting to hold a little bit here. Can we get the hold though? This reclaim here. Can we get a reclaim? It's heavy, bro. It's pretty heavy. My gut tells me to kind of get out and get re-involved. But
Seeing a lot of selling on ES at 78.
That's just a steep fucking pullback here. Okay. This isn't too bad now. Now it's looking better. That's for sure. Can we get more than 900s, though? That's the question. Can we get more than 900s? We should get to move back up here into like 49 100s. Probably retest this pivot. Yeah, 50s.
Okay, we just got our first close under my weekly level.
Okay. We're holding VWAPs.
Yeah, VWAP is
worth
doing its thing today.
For what it's worth. Just looking to scale out of 1 here at 40. I just think it's a smart thing to do if we can get up here and get the push.
You still like your stop there?
Yeah, now I'm chilling with it. Now I'm totally fine. I'll leave it where it is. It was just, that was a spooky pullback.
Yeah, that was deep.
Spooky pullback.
It looks like we want to go higher.
It looks like we're holding so far. Let's see if we get a push here up into 49,000 on the old YM machine. Look at that rejection, dude.
Same area.
Qs are holding. They're holding. Everything is holding above for long so far. So far, it's telling me the dip is being bought. That's what this is telling me so far. VIX still running. You're still up 13%. It's nothing. Okay, we just got to move higher. New high a day on NQ.
We just tested our highs on ES.
Yeah. And push everything else with it. Come on, give us a little push here. One more push. Through this 70 bullshit. They're fighting it. They're fighting it hard here at the highs.
Yeah. But it looks like we want to go.
Yeah, but they're rejecting this pretty good.
I almost want to just wait for a pullback to 81 and then getting long at the level. Let them fight it out. As long as we stay above the 8 a.m. high at 68.85 for me, that's still a good play.
68.85. Yeah. I mean, everything is pointed. Like, see, I don't like this rejection now here. Look at this, barely pins above this, dude. Fucking some bullshit right now. This is still too indecisive.
Yeah, it's very indecisive.
I don't.
There's nothing for me to do, at least right here. I know I'm not touching anything. On the 5-minute chart, we technically haven't gotten a single continuation.
I'm gonna move this to right here. Yeah, this looks like it wants to come slot me out now. Looks like it wants to come run me back into my level. Yeah, look at these fuckers, dude. Look at these fuckers, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Look at these fuckers, bro.
Yeah. Bro, everybody's getting short, bro, ahead of that speech tomorrow. I think it's on tariffs. So that's probably why the VIX is up so heavy right now.
Super dirty. It's okay. At least my stops move, so I still have more chance to get involved. Can't believe they didn't give us 49,000, bro. I was literally right there. It's so annoying. 30 points. So fucking annoying. Okay, it's gonna stop me for sure. There's no way this holds here.
Order filled.
Okay.
It's all right. You get another shot.
It's not what I wanted to see.
77.
Super annoying. I bet you they fucking hold this shit, dude.
I don't know, man. the tape doesn't look like they want to hold shit.
I need us to get back above here, bro. It's the only way. 49,900. That's the only way. Yeah, just still too early. I just shouldn't have gotten involved that early. I should have waited more. I knew they were gonna do some fuckery like this.
I'm thinking, and I'm really thinking of getting short. We just got our second close under.
Still holding above VWAPs just for what it's worth.
Yeah, it's like sandwiched between my level and VWAP right now. And the low of the previous 5-minute candle is just under VWAP. So if we take out that low, I could get short. But I'm gonna size down. I'm gonna go to.
Yeah, you got to.
Let's do 8 contracts.
You gotta.
This is a hard spot.
Coming up into 30 minutes here from the open. What are the old Qs doing? It's holding so far. Trying to, at least.
Can you hear that scratching?
Yeah. What is that?
That's my dog trying to stop. I have an extra chair in my office, and that's where he like sits.
He's going after
he jumps on his chair.
That's funny.
Hey, look. Stop.
Just gotta wait here. Possible RTY bull flag.
Good boy.
Let's see.
Bull flag.
Yeah, I hate this bar in RTY, but I do. Yeah, if this actually can engulf here, and this isn't bad. This ain't too bad. ES getting weak.
Man, this is. I want to wait for 10, but at the same time, I feel like this is the short setup.
I think it's just tricky still, dude. I love this RTY. This looks good to me. This looks really good here.
Are you seeing the 5-minute? Are you seeing the 5-minute on ES?
Yeah, I saw that. Yeah,
it looks like it's ready, bro.
It does, but it's just, for me, it's still holding view up. I wouldn't want to get involved for the short. Yeah. I mean, it's gonna be a battle royale, bro. Like literally, like that's where we are with things. It's gonna battle it out. It's gonna duke it out. Time will tell on a day like today. Sometimes it pays to get involved early, and sometimes it doesn't.
It never pays me to get involved early. I get smoked.
That shit never works. You look at this long now on ES. See, now on ES, this long looks fucking fire to me.
Oh, after the sweep, sweep of that low. Yeah. Getting back above this level. You know, a long would be good if we close above the 8 a.m. high. We close above the 8 a.m. high, I would take a long. And then I would probably target like.
I'm back in YM, bro.
You're back in.
Fuck it. Back in YM, stop at the low here. Not the low of this 5-minute bar.
Balls of steel.
Look at this instant rejection. Watch me get fucking nuked right now.
Bro, if you pin the top, that would be the wild.
That would have been the worst. The like, okay, that's my day. Oh man, dude, I wouldn't be surprised, bro. I wouldn't be surprised if this happens right now. Let's see.
I feel like longs are just not getting rewarded, so it's like it's hard to take a long.
Well, shorts
But
aren't either. It's just back and forth.
I know, but we've already come down so far where it's like shorts are like the obvious play, which is why they won't work.
I don't like obvious. I like
Yeah,
hard.
that's
I like
exactly
the
why they won't
difficult
work.
play that no one wants to be involved with. Those are my favorite. Man,
My favorite is when they show their hand.
I'm about to get nuked.
Oh, you might be good. It's a battle. Are you exactly at the tick of that low?
Order filled.
Boom,
Shit.
done. Fuck, dude. Too early, bro.
I was like,
Fucking
that was
early.
instant.
Too early.
But unfortunately, that happened to you. But now this is showing my short setup.
Let's see it. Let's see it. Let's see
We're
it.
just holding VWAP. Like on Thinkorswim it's holding VWAP, but
Hmm.
on Tradeovate it's not. Ideally, this is around the area I want to get short at on 77.50, and I am going to use a market order, so you're not on my ass. I'm just
mean,
waiting to see.
it's up to you.
No, I'll take a market order.
Look, it's looking weak.
No, I'm not taking a market order. Fuck that.
Do what your system says, bro.
And
Order
my
filled.
system doesn't say to take a market order, so I'm not taking a market order. My stop is at the highs at 90s.
Okay, I like it for you. I
68,
do like
90,
it for you.
50. That's $280. So my
Not
target
against this for you.
target's probably gonna be 62.50.
Not
Well, not
against
probably. It's gonna be
this for you.
62.50. So that's what we're looking at.
Hopefully, you just don't get bamboozled.
No, I think this is coming down. I'm sure I don't have a trail.
It's still really. This is just still tough to read for me, bro. The only thing I like is RTY, to be honest.
If we break into like a new low a day, I'll just move my stop to break even, and I'll just trail it. I'll probably even scale out some if we get new lows at 69s.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll do that. That'll be the plan. So short here. Let me mark it up. Okay.
It's looking decent.
Okay.
There you go.
I was not ready for that though.
Ah, it was a little fast.
Yeah, that shit is crazy. Okay.
A little fast there.
It came all the way to 66. Is it worth moving my stop now? I don't think it's worth moving my stop now.
I think you could move it to right above 86. That candle
Here?
Yeah. I don't see.
I see what you're saying.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Now that we're below, like that should say the invalidation point if that's going to be the case. Dude, my problem is I'm too impatient at the open, bro. It's been like the whole thing the past 2 weeks is like literally I'm just so impatient at the open and it just fucks me up every time. Rolls me.
I'm gonna leave my stop at the highs.
Okay.
And then if I get two out here, I'm just gonna move the break even stop loss and then let it go down to 62.50.
Feel you.
Yeah. I think that's the play for me. Because
Okay.
a new low of day, that's a break even trigger for me.
Yeah.
But unless we did it, but I didn't scale, so I can't take. I gotta let it work. Short 69, no 68, 76.50. I'm just marking on my Thinkorswim right now. Stop loss at highs. $68. It doesn't look like it wants to make a new low.
I know. See,
Yeah.
this is just tricky action. I just feel like it's going to take a whole hour to like really digest this, bro.
I don't like when it spikes like that, bro. When it spikes and they buy it back up, it's like that's like a clear reversal.
I like to buy those.
Yeah, see,
those are my buys, bro.
Bro.
Those are my fucking buys, bro.
I hate it when it's like that, bro.
I love that shit.
Because even me, I'm like, okay, it's failing to go lower, and I'm looking to buy it, but I'm already short, so I just kind of gotta hold it. It's just 25.
Damn, that's a crazy hammer on on YM specifically.
I don't even want to scale out here. I just want to just take the full at 62.50 because I feel like if it reclaims,
I know it seems sketchy, bro.
Yeah, like if it reclaims this wick to the downside, it's most likely just gonna come down here.
Yeah,
at least like here, maybe here, because it already came to 66.50. So the issue is this could be that attempt. This could have been that one attempt and it failed.
Yeah, I gotta wait and see.
Yeah.
Drew, this is so true, bro. I'm honestly so impatient with signal bars. It's my number one thing I need to work on. Like it's like is a full closure of the signal bar. It's my number one thing I struggle with personally. Because I clearly have a good system. Obviously, I know that makes me money, but like, yeah, like when it comes to sniping and getting good entries, is waiting for the full signal bar. You know, you're not wrong about that. You're completely right. Completely correct, my friend.
Yeah, these guys want to take it higher, bro.
I know. That's what I'm saying, bro. It's kind of tough.
It's fucking stupid.
Fucking tough.
What is 66? 66? What is it? 67? What is 67? No, I'm not doing that.
If they get back through 68.80s here and close above it, I think you're
I think I'm good. We just swept the previous candle high.
Yeah, barely.
So now it's like it only can come down from here.
They're gonna make it tricky for everyone, bro. Oh,
damn! What is this? What is this?
Ooh, what is going on,
bro? Just go lower. Just go lower. If you want to go lower, you can just go lower.
I know. How is this not filling you, bro?
Yeah, like, bro, a fucking point.
Don't panic. Bro. Don't let it trade. Let it trade. Let
all
it trade.
The time, bro. A point. Just go lower, bro. It's a point.
U.S. Supreme Court does not issue ruling in challenge to legality of Trump's global tariffs.
What does that got to do with anything right now?
No ruling on tariffs.
Is that what we've been waiting on since last week? Isn't that?
I think so. Yeah. How do they digest it?
And at 10 a.m. on a Tuesday is when they decided to say this.
Of course.
Like, you guys had all week to say something last week, and now you say something. Bro, a fucking point, bro. Are y'all really going to do this to me?
Let it trade. Don't trip.
Yeah, I'm going to let it trade. It's just like I want to move to break even, and I'm not moving to break even unless I get filled. If I don't get filled, I'm just going to sit here.
Order filled.
Nice.
Now I don't get break even.
There you go.
Yeah,
yeah, for sure.
I'm not going to win a day.
Nice work.
If I have the opportunity to scale out a little bit more, I might. If not, I'm just going for the full target. I feel like full target's going to hit. I shouldn't stress about this.
Yeah, there's nothing to stress. I mean, down in the zone, they could buy it down here. I don't blame you for that. But
what do you think? Like, probably like
I'm just gonna wait and see. I have no at this point. I would say at least you covered some, which is good. Maybe how many more do you have left? 2 or 1?
I have two accounts. I was thinking another scale
Take off
realistically.
one more. Yeah, take off one more there. That's what I would do.
At 65s.
Yeah, see if you can get that little sweep there.
One more 65s, and I'll probably I could aggressively hold this runner.
If it can get that move.
I will get it. It's coming.
Think so. Looks like it.
Yeah. Unless you just want to make me look like an idiot today, just getting edged by 1 point.
I know, dude. Just the day. That's the day.
Like, just keep continuously getting edged by 1 point.
Yep.
I'm good. Regardless, I'm good. My stop is in break even.
Nice work.
Put like right here.
Killer.
Yeah.
Killer.
And I don't think I'm gonna be aggressive. If we get to 1 R, I'm just gonna take it.
Yeah.
Because I feel like it looks like it's just gonna have one more dump to 50s.
Look at that shit, dude.
Bro, fucking point, a tick, bro.
A tick.
Tick. Thank you, yes. Thank you, yes. Yes. This is what I live for.
Let's see. RTY pulling back into VWAP here.
No, don't say that.
RTY is not gonna be influenced by yes. Don't worry about it.
Okay, good.
RTY is its own beast right now, dude. Just really doing its own thing.
Should I fight for this tick, bro?
I feel like you just take it, dude.
Yeah, bro. Fucking fighting for a tick.
I would just
order filled.
Nice. Good job.
Okay. Now I just have my 1 runner.
Yeah, now it's a stress-free trade. Nice work.
And I'm actually thinking of trailing it. I'm thinking of trailing it tightly, bro. Like 75 right now is where I want to put my stop, 75.50. But realistically, if we close down here, I'm just gonna bring it down to like 69.75.
For sure. Yeah. Wait till the scale closes though.
Yeah, see, I would have been pissed, bro.
Yeah.
Like fighting for that 1 tick.
Yeah. I know. So yeah, you would have been
I'd be pissed.
I'd be pissed too. I'd be like, "Are you fucking kidding me, bro?"
Yeah. Now if I get stopped out, it's like it's a break even on my trail, and I size down, so it's like risk wise, I'm good.
Yeah.
And it'll just be a 1 and done there. Oh, this thing is gonna tank, bro.
It's looking pretty weak.
Bro, I'm almost like tempted to just remove my take profit and target 50s. But
yeah, oh yeah, for sure. Because I mean, if it goes, it's gonna go, or it's just gonna hold here. That's like
it doesn't look like it wants to hold. Isn't this like
it looks pretty weak.
CT Boys fair value gap or inverse fair value gap something?
I don't know. I don't see one of those in the 5-minute.
Oh. You're supposed to be my gateway.
I'm the ICT guru now. All of a sudden, because I told him so much.
You were my gateway to it, man. I try to look. Honestly, I try to look for it because it's all over like social media and stuff. So I'm like, is this a fair value gap?
Yeah, I don't blame you. All right, dude. I like this RTY a lot now. Holding VWAP.
This thing does not look like it wants to fail.
Holding VWAP here on RTY. Can it fully hold it? Let's see. Let us see. RTY, baby. The winner of the year. The winner of the fucking year.
RTY.
I want to see DIA break out to 50,000 this week. That'd be really sick.
You think you can?
Drew, give me some bigger picture YM analysis. Think we can get the 50,000 this week. What do you think? What do you think about that, Mr. Drew?
It's the right person to ask, man.
Drew's good with the big picture.
Yeah.
Drew's like my my calm conscious because he trades just like me because I've coached him for so long, but he does everything more calm and like not as erratic.
If you can edge my TP, you can edge my stop loss. If you can edge the TP, you can edge the stop loss.
At least you're green no matter what. It's nice.
See, look at that. Look at that. Edging the stop loss by.
There you go. There you go.
Look, I stand by that wholeheartedly. If it can edge your TP, edge your stop loss, bro.
Exactly, dude.
This is a good stop loss placement right here.
Quick announcement for the stream, for the chat. Top One Futures just upped. They did their first rule change in 6 months, and they actually upped the daily loss limit higher. There's like a rule change in favor of all the traders, which is pretty cool. So they went from 3% to 4% on all accounts, which is dope. I feel like companies never do that. They don't go that way with it.
They have the highest. They have the highest in the industry right now, right?
I mean, it's pretty much tied with everyone else, but you can copy trade the most accounts straight to funded, yeah, in the industry.
Yeah. It's looking like I'm gonna get stopped out.
Drew's long RTY, fuck yeah. Drew, I did get long IWM options, just so you know, right at VWAP. So
yeah, long
for RTY.
Okay.
For IWM options, I got involved. I love that pullback to VWAP. I had to take it.
Okay, I need you to be the big player today, Tanner. Just go on your regular account and get short on ES right now.
Bro, my size does not influence anything.
Go get short right now. Like this is when I need you the most.
Not going to influence anything. You're still looking good.
Yeah, that edge is perfect. Like now, this is where I would place my stop loss anyway.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this just needs to be just a lower high. Okay, never mind.
Stop filled.
Oh, there you go.
Whoa, I'm gonna cancel that. I mean, that was a good trade.
Well, there you go. That was a good trade, bro. You managed that really well. I'm proud of you. That's why you're a coach. A good job. That was sick.
But that's why I'm like so big on scaling out, man, because like it'll just edge you so hard. At least on ES, I've noticed. On ES, I've noticed the edging is crazy.
Yep. 100%.
Like on NQ, it'll draw to those obvious levels and it'll overtake them, but on ES, it won't. Like it'll probably still come lower, but I'm not willing to go green to red. Oh yeah, for sure. Now
RTY is fighting a little too much now. What are they gonna do? Let's see if IWM can hold. Can IWM VWAP hold, Mr. Drew? Let's see. Qs are weak, dude.
Yeah, everything looks bad.
I mean, everything is just like flirting in this zone. It really is just going to be a.
We could really have a sideways day. Like if buyers start coming in here, like yeah, if they continue to support this area, this was the opening range low. If they continue to support 68, 69 to 66 on ES.
Mm-hmm.
It could just be a sideways day all the way up until 81. I could see that. Because what, it's already 10:20. I would say maybe 10:30. We'll probably decide if it's going to be sideways or not.
Yeah, I agree. Some engulfing trying to happen here in RTY. Not a fan of that.
We can't see your screen. It's still on me.
I know. I'm looking at I'm looking at options anyways. I don't even have anything up there.
Oh. See, this is looking like another short setup.
It is.
I wouldn't take it, but I'll break down to 68.50. Break down to 68.50. Stop at, that's obvious. Stop at 80. What is that? About 11.5 points. Could for sure get 11.5 points to the downside. Yeah.
We're above near-term volume point of control on RTY. We're trying to hold VWAP. I feel like RTY might come down just below 26.50 and hold. If it does pull back one more time aggressively. Look at this, dude. Wow.
Yeah. It's
they're all fighting and trying. That's all you can say.
yeah, hard.
Ryan said, Tanner, did you get long overnight VWAP or regular trading hours VWAP for New York? For RTY, got overnight VWAP. Is where I got long my options.
Lawrence got a haircut since I left. Well, I'm not Lawrence, but all right.
Nice push here. Wow. Okay.
Look at that. Well, I'm glad I got out.
Look at that. Holy shit.
Let me make sure.
That's quite a statement candle so far from the bulls there. Wow. Holy crap. Okay.
Forget a statement, bro. We're only 2 minutes in. This is the direction.
That's pretty nice.
Dang.
Fuck yeah, dude. Rip, dude. Let's go. I'm up 1,500.
Hell yeah.
Let's get a new high here. I don't want to be too aggressive on this. I want 2670s or 20. Yeah, is that 26? 2670.
We're going to highs, bro.
I don't know TY. Holy shit, YM. Run for the moon. Run for the moon. Let's fucking go.
Oh, it's just gone.
I think RTY wants to come all the way, maybe 74s even, like test the opening gap for the Sunday. Yeah, this thing has some room, bro. Thing has some fucking room.
Bro, I'd have been stopped out hard if I hadn't scaled out.
Yeah, see, not good management, bro. Really good job managing that. Really good job managing that. Let's see. Need follow through here, though. More follow through.
You'll get it.
Looking like it.
Above is super thin. So once we break those highs, it's nothing above. We're just going to continue.
Oh, yeah.
We're continuing over 6,900 on the ES at least.
This thing's fucking ripping, dude. Thing is fucking ripping, mate. Wow. Okay.
I could see us just shooting straight to like 69.12 right now, or 69.10 on ES. I could just see it.
Wow, this thing is all looking really nice.
Yeah. Bro, the size of this
new high day on RTY.
Same new high day on ES. Bro, the size of this candle is the entire day's price action.
This thing's fucking going nuts. Okay, I'm gonna sell some of these contracts right here. Scaling out some majority of these RTYs, so these IWM calls here. They get filled. Do I get filled?
Drew's telling you to buy more and you're getting out. He needs you to give him a lift.
Keep it going, dude. Keep it fucking. I just put out my limit order. It didn't fill me though.
You put a limit in for your options?
Yeah, I trade limit orders on options. You have to.
Oh, because of the spread, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, it should cover me some here. Yep. Okay. I just scale out a majority of them.
Very good. You locked in a green day too, no matter what.
Yeah. I'm probably gonna scale out the rest here on this push, to be honest. Almost up 100% in the play. Holy shit. Oh, shit. What a push, dude. I'm all out here, the rest. Let's get filled. Do I get filled?
Bro, this thing is just going.
This thing's fucking going, dude.
69. Bro, it's like a 22-point move on that last candle alone on ES.
Drill, where's the RTY in this gang? Where's the RTY gang? Where's the RTY gang at?
Volume then up here on RTY, creating that push. Drew starting 2680 on RTY right now.
2680.
Yeah, that's where he's starting.
All right, Drew, I fuck with that. I don't blame you. I would say I don't know how many you have here, but maybe it's not a bad idea to scale out some. Probably the whole gap fill up to 264.50s on this on IWM.
You think the market is targeting that gap?
For IWM, 264.50s, Drew.
Bro,
let me pull my screen on here.
If we're looking at a gap, it's targeting gaps today, bro. That's like 80 points away on ES right now.
On ES, but it's very different on IWM. That's what I'm trying to say. So
yeah, pull up what you're looking at.
Check this out, bro. Look at this up here. This gap up to here, up to 264s. Like this thing's looking beastly right now, dude.
Well, it already started, yeah.
I know it's already gap filling. Like this is fucking gorgeous. This thing is so strong.
Yeah, you can get it for sure.
Yeah, I mean, I have my limit order out for the rest of these calls. I already locked in. How much did I lock in on this? 22.
ES looks nothing like that. Yeah.
Dude, this is so nice. Holy shit. Let's go. Fuck, where'd it go? My bad. Okay, can you guys see this? Here we go. The master grid. Oh, am I out? Oh, it filled me. I'm out completely. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Dude, sick. All right, 2120 plus 900. Wow, $3,100 to start the week. Let's fucking go, boys. Real money. I've been loving trading options, dude. Fuck futures. Honestly, dog.
Or you've been killing it with the options.
I've just been on an options spree. I think dude, honestly, I swear, it's like I get my fuckery out at the open, just like kind of trading futures like shit. And then I find like a real direction and get confidence and conviction. And then I just fucking rip it. And
bro, that's how it should be.
I know. And that's how it should be. Nice $3,000 morning. I'll take that. I'll fucking take that. Honestly, this DIA too, call me ambitious, but I want this thing to go to fucking 500 by the end of the week. That'd be crazy.
You have a position in DIA?
I started a little small one, like really out of the money calls, $500 calls on DIA.
Yeah. But
I love this down here, if you guys can see this. This, bro. Like I like the breakout all the way to 500. This is like crazy. to think about, but we retested structure down here, which I love, basically. Gap fill, back up to here. This is a breakout zone. Once this breaks out, it's going to fucking go.
Yeah.
So we'll see.
How far did you get him?
Friday. Not far enough. It'd have to be a crazy move, but we'll see. We shall see.
I mean, what's the delta on them?
Yeah. The delta? I don't know. Look.
Because even if it's not crazy, you can still make money.
I know. I can still make money on it for sure. For sure. We'll see how kind of just keeps digesting today. RTY is a killer, though. Everyone that's trading RTY in the chat, shout out all of you. Right, you guys are all kind of putting me on it too. Ryan, Drew. I mean, dude, this is like why it's been strong. I kept saying this, dude. Like, this is a multi-year fucking breakout, bro. Like, literally, if we look at IWM, let's give some technical analysis for you guys. So let's go to time frame. Let's go to fucking 10 years. Okay. This right here, 244 back in 2021. This is a multi-year breakout that's happening on IWM. This is bullish as fuck. Finally happening. So that's why it's like, I just want to stay this thing. Every pullback on this, it stays really strong. So that's why this makes sense today. We gap fill all of this. And then literally by like 2 days from now, this shit's probably up into 270s or like some, something crazy. So far, Drew, if you're still in it, you took out 5 micros, 2 off at 70s, hoping to get 3 more into 80s. Okay. I like it. I would say let's look at some volume nodes for you, Drew. Okay, so volume-wise, this is looking good. There's actually nothing until way up here on IWM. Let's look at RTY. Yeah, so I would say, Drew, honestly, I would take one off probably into the sweep of the overnight. We're coming right into it. This is your only problem is they might want to defend this high right here of the gap. Generally bearish things, that's what they would do is they want to defend the gap, like the high of it or whatever it is, just to make sure we don't start bleeding into it. So it probably is going to slow down in this zone. Just a heads up. If you want to maybe take one off at 74, 80s, one more, it's not a bad idea. And then as it kind of starts to hopefully fill this, anything that maybe dies back down below, 72s, let's call it, I'd probably just cover the rest. So. But this is fucking, dude, look at this. This is why pull active up's great, bro. Anyone that says that strategy's dead, fuck them, dude. I'm making all my money this forever on this shit. This is textbook. Extension, pullback, literally one nice tap, boom. And what I was talking about before, this is a near-term volume point of control. We get above this instantly and stay above it. This is why I love using this as also another good reference point. So this is just fucking.
Does that move automatically for you?
Yeah, it moves automatically. So it just depends on the time. It depends on the time frame too. So this is a 15-minute chart. Look at this. Actually, it's pretty cool. If you go to the hourly, look, the hourly is way down here because it's using also the data of how many days are involved. But that's why I like the 15 because I think it's only 5 days. So for day trading, it's like perfect. It's like, it's coming right up into that. Drew, you're about to get the break here. I would consider scaling one here, one more.
Bro, ES is going to 69.10s, bro.
It's fucking going, dude.
It's going, bro.
How do I get VPOC for 5 days on TradingView? Unfortunately, I don't know. I will say for this VPOC on Thinkorswim, honestly, this is like a thing I learned from a mentor years ago that I've just kept on my chart. So I don't even know like what the details are of it. Let me go to studies. So edit studies, volume profile. Okay, so automatic. If anyone knows how to read this shit well, you probably know how to read this, Brian. So custom real height, time per profile month, multiplier 52, profiles.
Wait, which chart are we looking at? I'll take a note.
Oh yeah, it's not popping up. It's not popping up. Fuck, it doesn't do that. That's right. Drew, okay, you're closing it. Yeah, Drew, take it, bro. This is a good push. This is a really nice extension. fucking lock in the W, dude. This is, if you haven't taken it yet, this is a great extension area. I think this is fucking solid, dude. Super solid.
Damn, they faked out all of the shorts.
They faked out. Yeah, they made it real tough, dude.
Bro. This is the day that I would probably go on tilt if I wasn't managing my trade.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Wow, what a move.
Bro, from the lows.
Well, some W's.
W's for everyone.
I'll take my fucking W, my options W any day like that. So you took a W. Drew, it sounds like you closed it. Hope you closed it. Ryan, I don't know if you caught RTY. It looks like you caught RTY. But overall, I think that's it, dude. Let's fucking wrap it. Now we're in.
Yeah, we're good.
Yeah.
You
killer.
scored, I scored, chat scored.
Yeah. Killer day. Killer Tuesday. Let's see how this keeps digesting the rest of the week. But so far the dip has been bought up 1,600. Fuck yeah, Ryan. Good shit, dude. That's awesome. Cool. Well, W's in the chat. That's it. Good shit. Good stream. And we'll end it there. Nice and early. Go enjoy the rest of your day.
Yeah.
If you
actually step away from this.
Yeah, get away from it. But I'm going to end stream there. Good shit, guys. See you tomorrow.
Peace, everyone.
Peace.